Place the pallet on a flat surface. Familiarize yourself with the user guide. Determine your bolt positions based on the size of the equipment or other equipment. Remove the nuts and washers from the bolt and put them in a safe place. Turn the bolt tab 90 degrees to the bolt base. Insert the bolts into the desired positions. Ensure the rubber is attached to the base of the vertical stand. Lower the vertical stand over the bolt. Place the second vertical stand down over the second bolt, space appropriate distance apart. Then place the standard 70 by 40 washer over the bolt, followed by the spring washer and 2 nuts. Tighten to the torque specified in the relevant pallet user guide. Tightening alternate corners will ensure an even torque is achieved. Place the horizontal slider between the vertical stands and secure them into place with 2 pins on each side. Install the chocks and pins. This can be adjusted to suit the diameter of your equipment. Insert the bolts into the desired positions. Ensure the rubber is attached to the base of the horizontal stand. Lower the horizontal stand down over the bolt. Then place the standard 70 by 40 washer over the bolt, followed by the spring washer and 2 nuts. Tighten to the torque specified in the relevant pallet user guide. Tightening alternate corners will ensure an even torque is achieved. Install the chocks and pins. This can be adjusted to suit the diameter of your equipment. Ensure that 2 pins are used for the large chocks. Lower your preservation wrap down over the chocks. Place the inner rubber strips over the chock positions. Your stands are now ready for your equipment to be placed on chocks. If you have any additional questions, contact us today.